Oh, the red one has been chosen. Press start.
Hey guys, my name is Nico Scully, and today we are gonna be playing Five Nights at Thomas's. Woo! So this is a fan game to Five Nights at Freddy's. Yeah. Before we press enter, I want to show you my brother's new keyboard. It's really awesome, and the mouse, even the headphones that you can use it. But whatever. Alright, let's press enter. Oh, I'm getting a phone call, guys. There's also shut the door.
Hello and welcome to Thomas's Pizza Railway. I'll be your conductor, so stop on hot.
Okay.
I'm here to fill you in on what you need to do for
Oh,
your
God.
job as a security guard at Thomas's Pizza Railway.
Okay.
Oh, and some other useful information that you may be able to use as... Oh, okay.
Hurry up before it gets cold!
Some other useful information that you may be able to use is that... Shut up! Sorry, Bob!
Oh no! Oh, and I'm dead. Okay, let's just press enter again. All right, we're back, and all right, we.
Hello and welcome to Thomas's Pizza Railway.
Okay.
I'll be your conductor, so stop on hot. I'm here to fill you in on what you need to do for your job as a security guard at Thomas's Pizza Railway.
Okay.
Oh, and
Oh God, Thomas is here.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Hurry up before it gets cold!
Some other useful information that you may be able to use is that... Shut up! Sorry, Bob. I'll be right there. You shut up. It's all useful information that you may be able to use is that... Put your... Oh, you need to put Palmer first, by the way.
No! I don't get it. All right, let's press enter again. Wait, there's the poster. I couldn't. That's a fat controller.
Hello and welcome to Thomas's Pizza Railway.
Shut up. Just shut up. I love it. I like this. Alright. I love it. Oh, this is gonna be good. Oh God, there's Thomas. Just shut the door. We need more. Before I'm gonna die. We're so close to winning. We need to get closer to 6 a.m. to beat the first night. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. We're almost there. Is he gone? Oh, finally. I bet he's gone. Okay, we gotta use these. Is he gone? I bet Thomas is gone. Oh God, he's here. I gotta need more before I'm running out of time. I'm gonna die. Come on. Come on. So close. So close. I'm almost there. Yes. It's more. Yes, I gotta get closer. Come on. Come on, Nico. You can do this. I'm at Dad's house, guys. You can see. Come on. Okay. Is he gone? Whew, okay, I think he's gone. Well, get out of here. Oh God, he's here. Go away. Go away, you stupid train. Please. Oh no, the call is loading out. If I don't lose, I get closer to 2 a.m. To get closer to 6 a.m. Or, I don't know what that even means. Come on. Okay, is he gone? Phew, okay. He is gone. Can I click closer? No, I can't. Oh god, Thomas is here. I survived till 3 a.m. Come on. Okay. He is gone. Okay, Thomas. You're not going anywhere. Oh god, he's here. Golly, I have to... Come on. Really? Jesus. Okay.
Hello and welcome to Thomas's Pizza Railway. I'll be your conductor, Sir Topham Hot.
Okay.
I'm here.
Are you serious? Oh, I'm getting rage. Okay.
Hello and welcome to Thomas's Pizza Railway. I'll be your conductor, Sir Topham Hot. I'm here to fill you in on what you need to do for your
See it?
job as a security
I
guard
think
at
Thomas is here.
Thomas's Pizza Railway.
Where is he? Oh god, here he is.
Oh, and some other useful information.
Oh, come on.
Oh, okay.
Hurry up before it gets cold.
Some
Other useful information that you may be able to use is that...
Okay, I'm getting rage. I'm gonna get freaked out. I'm gonna get rage. I'm gonna get rage out. Come on.
Put your... Oh, you need to put coma first, by the way. Better not. Mom, get out of my room.
Oh god, he's here. The phone call is hilarious. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, where is he? Okay, he's gone. Oh, okay. I bet he's gone. He's gonna get some dinner. Oh god, he's here. He's here. Go away. Go away. That's it. I'm done. Sorry about that. Okay. Oh, the volume. Oh, we have to. There, that's better. Okay. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Go on my social media, TikTok, follow me, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, and thanks for watching, and goodbye.
snake or a pet turtle? Snake. Should know. People love turtles. Oh, it's red. Let's see what happens. Oh my goodness. That's disgusting. Oh my goodness. Let's see what happens. Here we go. I am going to regret this. No. 3, 2, or 1. Oh my goodness. That's disgusting. Oh my goodness. Let's see what happens.
Yes, bro, let me.
Wait, before I end the video.